Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have a finish, okay? But before I show it to you, please hit the like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video, okay? I have a playlist of different crafts. You are welcome to browse and give a suggestion in the comment box below about which craft you would like to see again. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Remember this? Take a look at very close. Now take a look at this. It doesn't fit entirely in the camera though. Let's see. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Nice. I seal it because I like to seal them just in case. Take a look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. I have fun. The cells are big. It hardly have any small cells, but it takes time because, you know, sometimes you have to make it 2 or 3 coats, especially on the light colors. Although I could use the Melanie system, I really wanted to get this one over with so I can start the Christmas magic. I haven't finished the autumn. You're gonna see a video of the status update, okay, on the autumn. But take a look at this, how shiny. I like the way these PVN sealer leave the paint by number, so that is finished. Take a look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. I like it the way they turn out. I like it. And I have some paint left. I'm saving the paint because you never know in another painting if you need it. So here are the paints, right? There's some of these paint pots broke from this. It's not that I cut them off, but there's still quite a bit left over. And I did 2 or 3 coats depending on the site. And here is the picture. I'm keeping this because you never know. And if you use slow dry along with Flow Day from Liquitex, it will keep them nice and neat. Which I'm going to be revising all the paints, probably creating the swatch to make sure that they are okay. So I'll keep it in this bag. I have quite a bit. Look, none of the paint pots are super empty. None of them. So I'm very well pleased about this. Very well pleased. And here is the autumn status update where I'm going. I did all the small ones. Now I'm gonna fill up the big spaces, okay, and then I'm gonna move to this side, and then I just have to do this little bit in here. So this is what's going on, but I'm gonna have a separate video for that, okay? And then we're gonna start the Christmas magic. This one. This is the one I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start on the top left, just like I did with this one. I like to start on the top left. That's for right-handed, that's what they recommend. The top left. This is gonna be beautiful. So I wanted to start that, but that's a separate video, okay? So I'm gonna do some more. I do another update, and then we start the Christmas magic. That's gonna be the next video, okay? So here it is again. This is beautiful. I can't stop looking at it. The details and everything. And like I said, it's good to use a PVN sealer on it, because that way it will keep the paint always looking fresh, always looking shiny. And take a look at this. And like I said, the paint pots, all full. Let me show you a sample of one of the paints. Especially this white one. Let me get you closer. You see, I still have quite a bit of paint in there. Let's see number one. See, I still have some paint in there. Let's see, we have the brown ones. Especially the brown, these 16 that I have a lot to do on it. And you still have a little bit. Take a look at it. So they are, and it's a creamy paint. It's a creamy paint. You have to use Float Aid, okay? And for me, I have to, how you say? I have to gesso the canvas. You have to gesso the canvas. I mean, you do however you want it. You do you. But I strongly recommend the gesso canvas. You don't see the sharp because it ended up in broken, and honestly I don't need it anymore. So I'm keeping the paints over here. The ones that I finish. And this is it. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I like it. I love it. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.